Hey there, in this quick video, I just want to give you the quick comparison between the Sony HT-A9 with the Bose 900. Now, the soundbar, and what are the differences that you actually need to know regards the quality. So when I looked here on the ratings, one of the best sites for review the products, what I found out is that the mixed usage is just better for soundbar. The dialogue TV show is better for soundbar. The music is also for soundbar 900. And the movies is kind of similar. Now also really depends what kind of design you want, but based on their reviews is that the Bose is better built and it gets louder. There's a better center channel performance, but so the soundbar has a better sound stage. So this is something that you have to be aware of. And it also if you have other let's say Bose products or Sony products, there's also important thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope this video gave you a little bit of value. If not, then I'm sorry. And have a great day and goodbye.